the only thing you really fight for is yourself. You're not the guy to make the sacrifice play, to lay down on a wire and let the other guy crawl over you.
I think I would just cut the wire.
Always a way out. You know, you may not be a threat, but you better stop pretending to be a hero.
Сколько бы я не просил, но ты же знала, что меня теряла. Я босиком по стеклам.
I am inevitable.